In this video, you will learn how to access information about obtaining your course materials for your classes. To begin, log into Atlas with your Valencia username and password. Once you are logged in, select the Courses tab. Under the My Courses channel, click on the red Student Details Schedule button. To obtain materials for the current or upcoming term, please be sure to select the appropriate term for the courses. Click on the Submit button if the correct term is selected. From this page, you can view courses in which you are currently enrolled. To access your course materials for your upcoming classes, select the text that says "Click here for all your materials." If you're registered for a course at the downtown campus, you'll select a separate link to order downtown campus course materials. A listing of your course materials will populate. You can see the course name, professor name, and course number listed above the course materials. The course materials will appear as well, including the title of the textbook or ancillary materials, author name, and ISBN code. The textbook edition and publisher information may be available as well. On the right side of the page, you can see the list price of the material. In some cases, you may have the option to choose between a new or used textbook. In this case, I will purchase the new edition. Some courses may require new textbooks for the use of a one-time access code for online content. If you place your cursor over the listing option that you will select, it will tell you the expected time for shipping. Indicate the number of materials you wish to select. We will enter 1. Click the Add button, denoted by a plus sign, and then select the Purchase button. If you accessed course materials for the downtown campus, the online store will look a little different. Select the course materials that you would like to purchase by picking the Select Format drop-down menu and choose the condition of the material that you will purchase, either new or used. Select to add each item to your cart. When you are ready, you can proceed by selecting the Checkout button. You can purchase your materials as a guest, or if you plan on taking multiple classes at the downtown campus, you will need to create another account with this online store.